Hello, myself Kajin Sharma. I'm here to show how to measure BP. Hello sir, can I measure your BP?
Yes.
Have you taken any medication, coffee or cigarette?
No.
Would you roll up your sleeves please sir?
The patient should be rested and seated or lying down. The arms should be comfortably supported at the level of heart. Free from conservative clothing. Choose a cuff of appropriate size. Place the center of the bladder over the bronchial artery. Normally, right and left arm will give a similar result. Palpate the bronchial pulse and impalpate the cuff until the pulse becomes impalpable. Note this pressure as rough estimate of systolic BP. Impalpate cuff by further 30 mmHg and then listen with stat.
Sir, all the findings are normal. So your BP is 120 to 80 mmHg.
Okay.
Thanks. I'm here for your thyroid examination.
Okay.
Examination.
Come forward.
Inspection.
Look
We
up.
inspect the neck for any scar, any abnormal visible mass.
Give a sip of water.
Then we check any tracheal deviation. We volunteer to sip some water and extend the neck and we observe the upward movement of the thyroid gland for its container and symmetry.
Slowly see.
Okay.
Through the stethoscope, we auscultate thyroid for brute sound.
Okay. Thanks. Palpate your thyroid gland.
Okay.
Look up.
Palpate. We find the landmark, the notch of thyroid cartilage and the cricoid cartilage. Try to palpate thyroid gland, usually overlying the
Okay,
second,
thanks.
third, and fourth tracheal ring.
Swallow it. Okay. Thank you, sir. This is your neck examination.
Okay.
Neck examination. We try to palpate the lymph node in neck area. We place our fingertips on lymph node and rotate them in circular motion gently and ask patient, does it hurt?
Okay. Thanks. Hello, sir. I'm here for your heart examination. So please take off your shirt.
Okay.
The heart examination. Inspection. We inspect the chest area for any scar or other abnormalities. Palpation. We place our fingertips against the chest wall and check for any sustained impulse which indicate heaves and lifts. Percussion. As we moves toward the heart, the resonating sound of the percussion changes into dullness and we find the area of absolute cardiac dullness. Auscultation. We start from the point of maximum impulse and moves along the external border.
Sir, rolling partly to your left side.
We listen the S1 and S2 sound, observe the timing and any other sound. We ask the patient to sit up, lean forward, exhale and stop breathing. Place our stethoscope along the left external border and the apex of the heart.
Hello, sir. I'm here to measure your JVP, jugular vein pressure. So please sit you in the left side.
Jugular vein pressure measuring. Patient should be lying down and should be turned left side. In this particular volunteer, we can see bifurcating pulsation of external jugular vein, which lies on sternocleidomastoid muscle. To measure jugular vein pressure from internal jugular vein, but sometimes it's hard to see the pulsation of internal jugular vein, as we can draw the horizontal line. We measure the ruler reading.